Do you know that even with zero experience, like you don't have any experience, you could create a small product, very small product for a business? Let's say, for instance, you could create a guide, like a step-by-step instruction guide for a business that is always already selling a product. They are selling this product, and there is no step-by-step guide on how users or customers that have already bought can use that product. You could put that kind of step-by-step guide or instructions together and sell to the business owner so that it's being attached to every sale that they make. I can teach you right away how you can find those kind of problems. Use AI to find them, package them. AI is going to generate it for you, package them, and sell to business owners, right? I'll teach you that in a few minutes. But I need you to subscribe to my channel, please. Hmm? Ejo. Then, please like this video and share with your family and friends and those you think they are going to find it beneficial, right? I'll see you inside.
All right, so if you're here, here is the first thing you're going to do, right? You take this prompt, go to Claude or ChatGPT, anyone you prefer, and you're going to paste this prompt into any of these AI platforms. What this prompt is going to do is it will give the AI platform an idea of what you want to achieve, right? And what do you want to achieve? You want the AI to help you uncover some of the problems that business owners, it could be in any niche, in any field, in any industry, the kind of problems that they do repeatedly, the kind of questions that customers ask them repeatedly that can be taken care of, right? That's what this prompt would help you to do. And after you paste this prompt, there are some questions that you're now going to paste, like follow-up questions. You're going to paste these follow-up questions after this prompt. So I'll copy this prompt, go to Claude, paste it. Now let me read the prompt quickly. I am looking to solve problems for those who run dash 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 business. Now um, let's find a random business. Let's say information marketing business, right? So information marketing business, those who sell um, products, those who sell digital products online, who do coaching, mentoring, and all of those things, masterclass. Those are people in the information marketing business or industry, right? But you could use anything in place of this. Any industry, real estate, food stuff, salon business, any of the businesses, right? But for the sake of this tutorial, we're using information marketing business, right? So those who run information marketing business, so I can get paid in return. But I am struggling with finding real and high demand problems that they can happily pay someone to solve for them. I have a few questions I want to paste here, and in return, I need some high quality answers so that I can extract ideas for the kind of problems to solve for the above business. I want you to answer them based on research from Google, online forums, Facebook groups, LLMs, and other online communities. Make them brief, simple, rare, and yet very powerful. For the answers you provide, recommend a high quality solution. The solution mustn't be tech related, just something very easy to set up that the owners can do themselves. 5 years if you understand what I mean. Now, this is the part you're going to be looking at here, where the AI is going to make a recommendation for you for the kind of thing you build for them based on what they are facing. That's where you make the money, right? So I'll click enter, and while it's trying to generate to answer the question that yes, I can do it, and let's get back to our document, and I'll take this question. What questions do customers ask every single day? What questions do their customers ask every single day? I'll copy this question, go back to Claude, and paste it. And we're going to wait for it to generate those questions, because those questions are what will uncover the problem that the information marketers are facing. They are facing this problem, but they might not know that they are facing this. They might not know that that is a problem. Like getting repeated questions every day, every time is a problem. That's where you come in, right? So as you can see, it has done what we asked it to do. Based on what I found across seller forums, digital product for platforms, help centers, and this, right? The recurring problems, sorry, the recurring questions. These are the recurring questions. I paid, but haven't received anything. Where is my product access? This question comes up every now and then. How do I get a refund? This isn't what I expected. Another question. Does this apply to my specific situation? I lost the link file. Can you resend it? I was charged, but nothing happened. How do I actually use and apply this? Maybe this question is for how do I apply what I bought? Maybe the cost they bought or whatever, So these are like questions that people that buy from information marketers, they ask these questions every now and then repeatedly, right? And you could create a solution that solves just one of these questions. But from the prompt I gave, Claude is going to recommend a solution that it thinks will be the best for you, right? Now, here is a solution Claude recommended. You see, a simple non-tech solution to sell to them. Build each seller a customer self-aware, self-answer, sorry, I said self-aware, a customer self-answer kit, a done-for-you FAQ plus response system, not an app, right? So this is what Claude recommended as a solution to all of these questions, right? That could fix all of these questions. Now, if you create a solution that would answer all of these questions and and then give them responses or whatever, then you have a solution that you can sell to information marketers. That's the idea, that's the concept behind this video that I'm making today, right? And they are going to pay you for it. Now, what is the solution? A short, well-organized PDF or WhatsApp broadcast list of their top recurring questions. So you could help them to create a PDF that contains all the questions that these people, their customers, are asking them over and over, and the answers to those questions, instead of these information marketers, to be responding to respond individually to every question. The answers and the questions will be like in a PDF, right, or in some other format, maybe a web page or any of those things, right? Or a pinned WhatsApp business quick reply set, or a one page after you buy instruction sheets attached automatically to every delivery. I think I like this one. This one stands out, right? So now to build something like this, if you're not experienced, what do? You could copy this, for instance, and then tell Claude, help me to create this. Okay, say help me to create a sample of this. A sample of this. The reason why we're creating a sample, I just want to show you how what you're going to sell to these information marketers would look like, right? You need to customize it based on the questions they are personally getting, right? So, but this is a sample of what you could sell to them. Let's generate it with Claude. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to generate. It's going to create a sample, or like a one page after you buy sample, right? So this is it. You see, after you buy, start here, product name from seller, this is, thanks for your purchase. Before you message us, everything you need is probably right here. Your access, this. So this is what you're going to create for them. Their questions might be longer than this, Like for instance, common questions. How do I access this? You provide answer. How can I use my phone? You provide answer. So now, this is what it looks like, right? Here is what I'm going to do. So to make this look like a package, like a product that you could sell to the information marketer, so that you don't just copy test like this and tell them that, oh, I've created a solution for you. You could now ask Claude, maybe ask Claude to convert it to PDF format for you, or you could convert it to a web page, or you can convert it just to make it look well put together, right? Let's just do PDF. Convert the solution to PDF. So let's see how it looks inside the PDF. I would have asked it to design it properly, like to make all of those fancy designs and everything. Maybe the aesthetic, but I forgot to do that. But let's just see what it comes up with, right? And how it looks. Let's see. It's creating it. I could ask it to adjust it, right? So while it's thinking, let me get back to the document. Now, this is just one question, which is what questions do their customers ask every single day? Here is another question. What causes their customers to delay or abandon a purchase? You see, you could copy this one and still follow up this chart, right? Follow up this chart, and it's going to keep generating more problems you can create solutions around. Here's a third one. At one point, do their customers stop responding? This is a massive problem digger. This kind of question, right? What do their customers wish was easier? So you're going to take all of these questions one by one. You could do one question and get what you're looking for and move on, or you could do all of the 8 questions, right? The idea is to get something tangible, something you could sell to those people in that field, right? Let's say I created this PDF. I want to create this PDF I've decided that I'm going to create a PDF that contains the answers and questions that are asked frequently to information marketers. Where do I find information marketers? Simple. There are lots of Facebook groups where information marketers come and discuss about all of the problems they face. You should find yourself in that kind of group. Now, this applies to other industries, right? You're now going to, I think the easiest way to find the people you'll be looking for that would then buy this product, that will buy what you created, would be using Facebook ads and library. So you could just go to Facebook ads library. The idea is you're going to find people running ads around that field that you're looking to, that you found the solution, right? You could find their ads and reach them through their ads. Someone that is running ads already, let's say someone that sells courses that is running ads. Let's assume that you wanted to go with the information marketing industry. Anyone that is running ads, they are getting lots of orders, they are getting lots of sales and everything. So you could help them to put those information together, all of those questions and the answers. And whenever someone makes a purchase, it automatically sends those instructions to them, right? So that's the idea. So you come to Facebook ads, depending on the country you want to find the ads from. You could pick any of these. For now, it's in Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. So you come to ad category, you could click all ads, then you find a specific industry. You could type it here so that you see all of the people that are running ads in that industry. So in this case, I think information marketing, right? Let's see if we're going to find something on it. I just want to show you how you can find clients that you could sell your solution to. And depending on the industry, you just come here and type it. So let's say information marketing. I can't see anything on it. Let's put courses. Course. Okay, let's just say course. You You could use course, I could use course, I could use masterclass, to find people that are in the information marketing space. I could use mentoring. So you could use things that are related to that space. If it's health, you come here and type health, and you see all of these ads. You see ads are running. See, you could click on any of these ads, find their contact, and tell them that, hey, I created this, I saw your ad on Facebook. I created a solution that will help you to attend to your customers even without you being there. Answer all of their questions, right? It's just one-time fee. Maybe you sell it for 5,000, 10,000, or 20K to them. Depends on how much you want to sell to them, right? So let's go back and our PDF is ready. So this is how you're going to deliver it to them. After you buy, start here. Product name, as you can see, is now cleaner. It's better than this test version. So you could do this. You could even ask Claude for recommendation, like what format do you recommend me to create this product that would sell to these people? What can I create it? What format? It's going to suggest the format, right? So this is what it looks like. You can now download it, and when you download it, it becomes a product. So this is downloaded. If I open it, as you can see, this is what the product looks like. If you have money, if you have funds, you could sell this, this template. You could sell it as a template to those in the information marketing industry, but I would advise you sell it like to individuals so that you can help them customize it. But you could sell it as a template, they can customize it themselves, right? But this is the idea. The idea I'm trying to pass in this video, So you go back, I'll share this document with you that contains these questions and this prompt. The only thing I need from you, there are 3 things I need from you before I'm going to share this document with you. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and the third thing is you're going to subscribe to my newsletter. The moment you subscribe to my newsletter, when you subscribe to my newsletter, there's a welcome message that would come to your email inbox. That welcome message would contain all of my resources. You're going to find this prompt as part of the resources too, right? So like I said, use these other questions as much as you can and find something and build, and then find your market, find people that will buy it. I've already told you how to find people. You could do it offline. You could go in your city. If, let's say, you set it up for a salon business, you found something that would help them, and solve a specific problem. You go to your city, talk with salon owners and help them with that thing. It could be any other industry, right? And I'll see you at the top. Before I go, if you need someone to help you do a surgical operation on your business, let's say your business is about dying, your business is in the emergency ward, I'm that person. I could help you to take your business from that emergency ward, and your business is going to be healthy and kicking, right? So reach out to me. I'm going to put my website. You go to my website, you will see a form on how to book a session with me, and then we're going to revive your business. If you're struggling with an idea, a business idea to kick off, then I'll help you out to do the same thing, book a session with me. It's very affordable, right? So I'll see you at the top, and I love you all.